Hello, Accelerated Math 7-8 students. We are beginning our 21st video, and it is going to be called Area. It is actually Module 9, Lesson 10, which is what you're going to do today. We can find it on page 46 of my comp book. So area is what we're focusing on today. The goal today, we will be finding the area of polygons on a coordinate plane by building rectangles and triangles. Sorry, that's a typo. Today we will be finding the area of polygons on a coordinate plane by building rectangles and triangles. The question, what is the connection between the area of a triangle and the area of a rectangle? You need to be able to figure that one out by the end of the lesson. So, things to remember. This is going to be the part that makes this really easy or really hard. So, things to remember, we talked about this a lot last year. There are formulas for finding the area of different polygons, okay? This one says area of a parallelogram. Notice the slant. So, area of a parallelogram equals base times height. Area of a rectangle equals base times height. Area of a triangle equals half the base times the height, and area of a trapezoid is half of base 1 plus base 2 times the height, and then the last one, area of a circle equals pi times the radius squared, so pi r squared. Okay, those are the formulas that you need to know for doing this problem. Now, today, what you're going to have to do to figure this out is you're going to find the area of the shaded parts. Okay, so if we're looking at this, this is kind of intense, but I want you to try it because what you see right here is a weird shaped triangle in here and a semicircle here, but then don't forget, because you also have this square, and inside the square are some white triangles. So that might help you if you could figure out what the area of the whole square was, and then subtract off this triangle, subtract off this triangle, subtract off this triangle. Would it give you the area of this triangle? And if you're shaking your head, yes, you should be, because that's how you have to find it. Then you need to go and figure out what the area of the whole circle would be and then cut it in half. So I'm very, very interested to see what you guys are able to do. I am not going to do this problem with you because I would like it to be a challenge, and this will be the answer that we have up on the board. Okay, use the formulas above to help you if you can't remember. Okay, remember, finding the area of a square is the same thing as a rectangle, base times height, or we could call it side times side, right? Area of squares is s squared. Okay, going back to here, what is the connection between the area of a triangle and the area of a rectangle? That's a pretty easy one that we really, really worked on last year, so hopefully you can answer that. Boys and girls, we are going to be doing lots and lots of area finding for these kinds of things. They're not going to do just easy shapes anymore because now you are getting into more difficult math. This right here is called a composite shape, and the reason why it's a composite shape is because there's many shapes smushed together to create that new shape, and so that's what our focus is on this lesson today. Okay? All right, so I think that's about it. I'm very, very interested to see how this goes for you, and we'll discuss it tomorrow on the board when you get into class. All right, that's it for today. Hope you have a good one. Bye.